a puny little cave dweller, wouldn't you say, Lady Bloodmoon?
Nice try, Midnight, but Willow's pack doesn't see me as a true toy. They see me as a cute little furry visitor.
Boo! Hello, Gringotts? Where's the jump?
I know it's you, Boo-hoo. You can come out of hiding now. You're not slick.
Why doesn't anyone fall for my pranks anymore?
Maybe because you've literally messed with me ever since you've been an annoying, good-for-nothing ghost. I don't know about the other girls, though.
You listen here, you pathetic little excuse of a wolf. So my pranks aren't good enough for you? Fine then, I'll show you good enough.
Wait, Willow! I didn't mean it like that.
It's okay, dear. Willow gets aggressive when she's hungry.
Oh, I'll show Willow. No, I'll show everyone that I can be enough.
Midnight has been missing for weeks. I'm getting worried about her.
My dear, I never saw you as the worrying type. Fear not, as she can't die again. Surely she can't be far. She wouldn't abandon us. Midnight is very loyal.
But I like hanging out with her. She's my best friend for life. From another life. Her being gone feels so silent. No voice? That's so annoying. I wish I could kill her again.
My dear, I would do anything to make you happy. And if finding that annoying voice you long for is one of them, then I shall send a search party. A party of one, of course.
Looky, looky, says Miss Boo-hoo. Who's the joke now?
What? Disappearing for a few weeks? That wasn't a prank. That was you being annoying.
Oh, so I'm overreacting. You're the one who ran crying to Serena with your little crocodile tears because unlike you, I can take a little angry ghost yelling at me.
Why are you doing this, Midnight?
Because you're the puppet and I'm the puppeteer.
No, it's because I said. What's wrong with your eyes, Midnight? Did something happen that made you like this?
Nonsense. I thought long and hard and realized why try to be good enough when I could be the greatest ghost of all time, with everyone bowing down to me. Teasing and pranks are useless and temporary in the end. Power and manipulation is priceless and impactful. Am I sure that I did it?
Midnight, wait! Midnight?
Well, we can't have our cake and eat it too, huh, Rose? Well, it's too bad I tell you when you can eat, or drink, or sleep, or walk, or talk, or wake up, or blink, or even breathe. Farewell.
There was something wrong with Midnight. She's gone mad with power. She's like this super weird puppeteer thingy with black eyes like a void. You gotta help me, Serena.
Please calm down, dear. I can't bear to see you so overwhelmed. I'm sure Yeah, well, you should just obey her. She should have always been the ruler of all of us anyway.
What? Serena, why are you siding with her?
You're never gonna win against her anyway. Think about it, Willow. She's overpowered. You'll never beat her. The old night is gone.
Serena, what are you saying?
Don't deny it, Willow. It's inevitable. You're wasting your time trying to fight back.
That's not true.
If it's not true, then why are you falling for it? Talking about a ghost behind your back? Rookie mistake. I can be anywhere, anytime, little dog. Even right under your nose. I'm always watching, Willow.
Wait, where's Serena?
Catch her if you can.
Serena? Serena, where are you at? Oh, Serena. Thank goodness you're all right.
No.
Serena, wait.
Willow, my dear. Well, look what the puppy dragged in.
Well, look who the ghost ran from. That's right, a poor little puppy. Right?
Hey, I'm not scared to who ran for you. Serena's afraid of what I'll do. Or what she'll do.
Yeah, because you're so scary. You're just borrowing Serena's power. You're nothing without it.
Lies!
If you're so powerful, then why are you hiding under someone else's skin? You think you're in control, but you're just pushing everyone away. Rosalina's trying to eat grass. Grass! She looks like that weird 6-year-old at recess no one wanted to play with. Is this what you wanted, Midnight?
Willow.
It's trying to fight you. Even now you can feel it. Can't you? You might be able to control her for now, but you'll never be her. You're just a parasite, Midnight. You're feeding off of Serena's energy? You're not making her stronger, you're just draining her dry.
Serena would never do this. She would never hurt us. You're not Serena, and you never will be.
What happens if Serena doesn't accept you after this? A sad, lonely ghost using someone else's body. Serena might be forgiving, but you've crossed the line, Midnight.
Serena! You're finally back to—
Willow. I'm sorry. Here comes the waterworks.
Oh, that's what you're going to say? Serena literally fainted from you. I don't even know what to say anymore, Midnight.
Willow, I didn't mean for this to happen.
Too bad it did, huh?
Serena!
Serena, No, it's fine, my dear. I just need some rest. Rose?